Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. Today I'll be showing you how to connect your USB pen drive. This is a USB pen drive to your TCL TV. Alright, so to do this you'll have to go to the back of the TV and actually insert this. So see you there. Alright, so this is the back of the TV. If you look right here guys, it's a little bit dark, but of course this TV is mounted. There is the USB drive right there. So what you gotta do is just simply place this in. So I'm gonna hook it up or place it in. Alright. Alright, forgive me, I'm doing this with one hand. It's connected. Alright, so it's gonna show this screen right here. So of course it's connected. It's very easy. And all you gotta do now is simply explore the file. So you're gonna go to all files. And there you go. All your files are here for you to view, and it's quite easy to view them. All you gotta do is simply, if it's pictures, you simply go, and there you go. You can see my pictures right here, and all of them are easily accessible. All right, just in case you wanna go back to see those files, easy again, simply from your main screen. All right. So let me just adjust. So simply from your main screen, go to here, your apps, and to browse your files, you're gonna use the media player. All right, so this is a TCL Google TV. So go to media player. Notice it says USB drive there, and you're back to this screen. So that's the universal way to get there in case you get lost or need to access this screen again, and the pop-up is not there. All right, to eject, simply make sure there's no data, nothing is being played, and you can pull the flash drive. All right, so quite simple. So see you in the next one guys. Bye.